Iris Social Investing App. The pros, the cons. Iris Social Investing App is designed to combine social networking with investing. But is it really the future of trading? Starting with the pros. First, community-driven insights. Iris allows you to see what other investors are buying and selling in real time, which can help spot trends early. Second, educational content. The platform offers tutorials and guides, making it ideal for beginners who want to learn as they invest. Third, portfolio tracking and alerts. You can monitor your investments and receive notifications for price changes or market news. Now, the cons. One limitation is the risk of herd mentality. Following popular trades blindly can lead to poor investment decisions. Another drawback is limited advanced analytics. While Iris is great for casual investors, professional traders may find the tools insufficient for in-depth research. The surprising truth? Most people underestimate the power of social learning in investing. Iris proves that being part of a community can improve decision-making, but only if you combine social insights with your own research. In conclusion, the pros: social insights, education and alerts make Iris appealing for beginner to intermediate investors. The cons: herd mentality risk, and limited analytics mean serious traders might need additional platforms.